Hello. I want to welcome you to my first official webcast, and we're going to start things off by talking about a site that I joined up for called MyMiniCity.com. Now, the site isn't actually a game. What it is you build a city, you give it a name, and you start off with nothing. And as people click onto your site, your city grows. Currently, my city is up to 36 in population, and I'll give you a quick shot of that right here. And basically, I want you to click each day on that, and the city will grow. Now, as my city gets more hits, it'll open up things like industry and transportation, which you can click on either one of those links up to a total of 6 different things in your city, and your city will get larger and larger. Skyscrapers will go up, roads will be completed, smaller buildings, things like that. It's kind of a fun thing to do, and it's not really anything, time-consuming. So if you just want to go to, this link right here, that'll help me out. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about, which I'm sure you're familiar with, at the malls, around this time of year, heck, any time of year, you'll see those little kiosks in the center. And they're usually manned by 3 or 4 people that kind of latch out on people and pull them in and try to sell them something. Well, I ran into one the other day, and let me tell you, it was pretty entertaining. So first of all, I'm on my lunch break. I'm moving with purpose, going someplace to get something in the mall. And this guy moves out in front of me, and he's like, "Hey, how are your hands? What do you do for a living?" And I'm like, I'm a graphic designer. I'm on the computer all day, working with my mouse, working with my keyboard, not too much stress on my hands. He's like, "But I tell you what I do. This stuff here, it is the best ever." So I'm like, okay, I got a few minutes. Give me your pitch. So he's like, "Put your hands over this bowl and rub this salt into it. This salt, it come from the Dead Sea." So then he proceeds to ask me if I know where the Dead Sea is. I say the Middle East. He says, "It's between Israel and Jordan." So I'm like, that's great. There's my geography lesson for the day. So I quickly chime in and say, "Hey, it's evaporating." He goes, "Oh, now you know more than I do. You should be selling." I said, let me just, continue doing whatever you're doing, and let me just, do whatever I need to do. So he pours water over my hands. I'm scrubbing with this sea salt stuff. My hands are feeling pretty good. So that's not enough. He's got that out of the way. Now he's got to give me the rest of the pitch, which goes something like this. "Now you feel how your hands feel. Now you need this to go with it. And it's good stuff. It's the cream. You apply this maybe once a week, twice a week, as you see fit." So I'm thinking, hey buddy, okay, great. You got your sea salt from the Dead Sea, full of whatever it is. You got your cream, but no, he's not done there. This is where he goes next. "Do you like your skin on your face?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I do. It's not that bad." He goes, "Well, let me tell you about this. I give you this face stuff next. It's the best thing ever." And I'm like, okay, what exactly do you want to sell me? So he pulls out this cream, and supposedly it goes on the face, and once again, it's made from Dead Sea, so it's got to be good for you. So he goes into his pitch about that, and lo and behold, what do you know he follows it up with? A cream. Yes, you put the cream on a couple times, 2, 3. So right now we've got hand stuff, hand cream, face stuff, face cream. 4 products. So he's going along with his spiel. I'm checking the time, and it's getting pretty late. So I say to him, "Okay, how much does all this cost?" So he goes, "Well, I like a person who wants to know about the price, so you come with me to my office." So I instantly conjure up images of him taking me to some back room where a band of gypsies will fleece me of all my money and credit cards. But no, he walks around the kiosk to the cash register, and so I take a step over, and he goes, "Welcome to my office." So I'm like, okay. So he goes, "I tell you how much everything costs. First, we have the hand stuff. It's going to be $35, and the cream for the hands is going to be $60. So I'm like, okay, great, that's $90 for hand products. And he goes, "Oh, but I'm not done. You say you like face stuff. That is $120. And face cream, it's $60. So, oh great, that's another $180 on top of, you know, the whatever else he's trying to sell me. So I'm like, it's just cream, thinking to myself. It can't cost that much. So I start being a little hesitant. So he goes, no, let me do something for you. I'm going to give you my discount. And I'm like, oh great, discount. So what is this going to be? Let me guess. Buy one, get one. Yeah, so it goes something like this. You buy the face cream, and I throw in the additional face product for free. So you pay $120 for the face, you get the cream. It's all good, you get it. It's the best ever for you. So now I'm like, buddy, I don't have enough time. I'm on my lunch break. I've got no money on me, and I certainly don't have $120 for face cream. So he goes, okay, let me tell you, I'll show you receipt book. And he pulls out 2 fake receipt books. And of course, the first page on the first receipt book is filled with like somebody buying $500 worth of product. So he goes, see, I show you, it makes sense that I give this person $120. I don't give him discount. I give you discount on this if you buy. It's the best thing ever. And I tell you what I do. If you do this and you give me word of mouth, I give it to you even cheaper. I give you discount and cheaper. So then he pulls out the other receipt book, which has like some exorbitant amount in it. Like somebody bought $700 worth of face and hand cream. And he shows me that too. See, it says it in both places. You will win whatever you do. So I proceed to once again tell him, I don't have any money. I'm on my lunch break. I gotta go. Maybe I'll come back later. So at this point, poor guy's like trying to make the sale no matter what. He goes, you know, I give you discount. This is what I do. You buy face. It's only $60. I throw in cream for $30. You get for $90. Both. That's final offer. And you tell all your friends about this. It's the best ever. At this point, I gotta go. I shake the guy's hand. He shakes my hand. I'm like, I really gotta go, buddy. I'm sorry. And he gets this dejected look on his face, like he really tried. Like he's got some small village back home, and I've just, you know, basically he can't eat for a week, and his family can't eat for a week. But anyway, those are my adventures at the mall. Now, you should probably watch out for these guys. In fact, I did fall prey to them once, but it was actually a good product. It's those beanbag things you throw in the microwave and heat up for like 30 seconds. Those actually work. Face creams, Dead Sea salt, I don't think so. So that's my little tip for you and my little adventure for you. Hope you enjoyed it.